Hello everyone, welcome back to RR Corporates. Now we are going to discuss an interesting topic, the latest sensational topic, GST relief for middle class very soon. So cheaper toothpaste, utensils, clothes and shoes. Now we'll discuss in detail. So there is a great news for the middle class. Soon your monthly expenses on daily use items like toothpaste, clothes, footwear and kitchen items might reduce significantly. The government is planning a big GST relief. Let's decode what is coming and how it affects you and what the roadmap ahead. So welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are talking about the proposed GST relief measures that are aimed at reducing the tax burden on the middle class and lower class, lower income households. So this is not just a small tweak. It could mean lower prices on essential everyday items. So what is the changing? According to the reliable government sources, the 12% GST slab may soon be eliminated or merged with the lower 5% slab. So this means that several commonly used items which are now taxed at 12% might soon become 5% GST items, effectively reducing their market prices. So this includes toothpaste and tooth powder, sewing machines and umbrellas, pressure cookers and utensils, electric irons, geysers, small washing machines, bicycles, footwear between 500 to 1000 rupees, ready-made garments above 1000 rupees, stationery like geometry boxes, maps, drawing books, and vaccines and diagnostic kits. Agricultural tools like threshers and solar heaters, ceramic tiles and ready mix concrete. So all of these items are widely used by middle class, and drop in tax means a direct relief in household budgets. So why this government is doing this? This government expects this move to cost the exchequer around 40,000 to 50,000 crores, but it is ready to absorb short-term revenue loss. It is a burden to the government, but still it is ready to absorb the short-term revenue loss. The idea is very simple: lower prices, higher consumption by the public, higher sales, then wider tax base, over time, stable or even higher GST collections. This would be the idea. This is a part of the larger consumption boosting strategy, especially after giving income tax relief in the recent budget. A recent statement from Finance Minister. The Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman hinted at his rationalization, saying the government is actively working towards a simpler, fairer GST structure and is considering relief on essential goods. So the move is also in line with industry requests for GST slab implications to reduce litigation and compliance hassles. So what would be the challenges ahead? So, but not everyone is on the board. Under GST law, any change in GST rates must be approved by the GST Council, where states have equal voting rights. Currently, some states like Punjab, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, and West Bengal are not fully supporting the proposal. It's important to note that in the history of the GST Council, only one decision has ever gone to votes. Every other has been made through consensus. So what is the next? The matter is expected to be taken up in the 56th GST Council meeting, likely to be held later this month. A 15-day minimum notice is required to call the meeting. So if the proposal is passed, then we could see revised GST rates notified soon. Price drop on many essential items. More pressure on manufacturers to pass on benefits to consumers. So the summary of items are going to be expected. Here is a quick list of key items in the 12% GST slab likely to be moved up to 5%. Tooth powder, toothpaste, sanitary napkins already exempted, but related items still taxed. Hair oil, soaps, some variants, water purifiers, non-electric, cookware, aluminum utensils, geysers, irons, vacuum cleaners, bicycles, sewing machines, ready-made garments above 1,000 rupees, ready-made garments below 1,000 rupees. They are mentioning ready-made garments above 1,000 rupees and footwear 500 to 1,000 rupees and vaccines, diagnostic kits, geometry boxes, drawing books, exercise books, solar water heaters, agricultural equipment. So the conclusion is this move, if implemented, will be a game changer for the middle classes, reducing the cost of living and promoting consumption-driven economic growth. But much depends on the upcoming GST Council meeting and whether states can align with the center's vision. Let's wait and see. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the tax reforms and financial developments. We have two channels, RR Corporates and RR Legal Talks. Please do subscribe RR Corporates and RR Legal Talks so that you will not miss any latest updates. Hit the bell icon so not to miss any of the latest videos. Thank you.